Hey guys, Mr. Patick here. This week we're going to be working on the area and perimeter of triangles and squares and rectangles. It's not a lot to it. The first worksheet you're going to get is going to be squares and rectangles, and it's going to have two different columns. So when you see your worksheet, you'll see like number one and then a column here and a column here. And what we need to do is the perimeter, which is the length around a certain object. So if you see this box here, to calculate the perimeter, we want to figure out the length around this box. And to do that, we need to add all four sides. So on your worksheet, you'll see an 8 and a 5. Those are two sides, but you have to add all four. So on a rectangle and square, if this is 8, then you know this is 8. And if this is 5, this is 5. So for the first one, you're going to add 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. Or add all four sides like it says here for perimeter. So 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, and that should get you 26. Now, the second column on your worksheet is going to be the area, which is how much space is inside of a certain thing. So if this was a fence, the area would be how much space inside of the fence here. And to calculate that, you do L times W, or length times width. And on those, you just do 8 times 5. But there's more to it than that. Every shape has units. So this could be inches or yards or meters or feet. On your worksheet, I want you to use centimeters. So your answer will be 8 times 5, which is 40, and then do cm and the little 2's. That would be 40 centimeters squared. So on your first worksheet, column 1, perimeter. Add all four sides, so 8, 8, 5, and 5, and then your answer will be in centimeters. And then area, which will be length times width. On this particular one is 40, and your answer needs to be in centimeters squared. Now on the second worksheet I'm going to give you, it's going to be triangles, and this has a similar formula, but it's a little bit different. So on this particular triangle, if you see here, this will be the base of the triangle. This will be the height. And on these, you do 5 times 5, but then you divide by 2. So the formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So on this one that I showed you, it'd be 5 times 5, which is 25, and then you divide that by 2, and that'll give you your answer. These two also are in centimeters squared. On your worksheet, I think it just says square units. So on that, actually, you just do 25 and say 25 square units. If you have any questions, you know where I am. Just get a hold of me. You can email me. You can send me a message on Teams. And I'll do my best to get a hold of you guys on Wednesday to see if you guys have any questions on Wednesday. Anyway, happy St. Patrick's Day. I miss you guys. I know 2 of you guys are coming back to school. We got one more 9 weeks until we get another report card, and then we're done for the year. Hopefully everyone has a good St. Patrick's Day, and have a good night.